In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste an email in Outlook, specifically how to copy and paste an email into another email. Let's get started on this simple task, which can be very useful when you're aiming to forward information without altering its original format. First, you'll need to navigate to the Microsoft Outlook page using your preferred web browser. If you aren't already signed in, you will need to do so. Once you're on the Outlook homepage, look for the Sign In option, which is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen, and give it a click. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Be sure to provide your full email address and password. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, be prepared to verify your identity. Once you've filled in this information, simply click Next to proceed. Now that you're signed in, let's move on to the Outlook dashboard. From here, you'll want to access your inbox, which is quite easy to find. It'll typically be located on the left sidebar or as one of the main tabs. Click on Inbox to see a list of all your received emails. Next, you need to locate the specific email you want to copy. Scroll through your list to find it. Once you've found the email, click to open it. Now, to copy its contents, you have several options. You can either highlight the text, right-click, and choose the copy option from the menu that appears, or simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C, which is quick and efficient. After copying the email, look to the upper left corner of your Outlook dashboard. Here, you'll find the button to create a new mail. This is usually represented by a new message or new mail button, depending on your Outlook version. Click on this button to open a new email draft. In the email draft window, you can now paste the copied email content into the body section. You can do this by clicking inside the body area where you'd normally type your message, then right-clicking and selecting Paste from the context menu, or you can press Ctrl+Thumb to paste it instantly. It's as simple as that. Now you've successfully copied an email and pasted it into a new message, ready to be sent. Before you hit send, just make sure to fill out the recipient information in the To field and add any additional message or context you might need. This straightforward method can be a real time saver when you need to forward information quickly without losing the original email's formatting. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.